Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. Alright, so I have some progress finally. What I did was I uninstalled the PACcore wallet again. I had already done it once. I did it again, and I went ahead and just went through the whole process of installing it one more time. And it looks like we're going to have some success this time. So I wanted to go ahead and document that success looks like it's coming, hopefully. And yes, I'm kind of excited that this is actually going to work. So what I did was I went to the uninstall, right click. I think I right clicked on that. Let me see if I did this right. I went down to system, and then I was able to, I think it's what I did, or I went to control panel. So I'm not sure what I did, but anyway, I was able to uninstall the old program and reinstall it. Let's see if 49 seconds behind. Definitely better than what it was. And by the way, it's 11:41 right now, and I think I started this process at 11:03 p.m. So I've definitely gotten farther along than I was before, considering I was waiting for X many hours and days. I did make sure that I did this part here. I went to Tools, Debug, Console, and then I copy and pasted this whole thing in. I pressed Enter, and then I closed the wallet down, and then started it back up. So I did do that. So it looks like we're hopefully going to be up and running, and then I can go ahead and go through the process. I think this is here's a step-by-step guide. Okay. So if we get everything going, I'm going to make this get a little bit bigger. Okay. So if I do get everything going, then the next step would be, go down here. Okay. So I did try to encrypt the wallet. I don't think it worked. I tried it once, and then the new wallet started acting funny, so I exited out of it. But let me go over here and see. It's already looking like it has been selected, but when I tried to do it the first time and put in a new passphrase, it made the wallet start spinning. It just, the blue circle just started spinning over and over again. So I exited out of it. And then when I went to do it again, this was already highlighted. There's a little square around this icon. Here, as you can see, when you put your mouse over it, the little square comes. Same here, but this was already like this. So I'm not really sure what that's about. So anyway, let's see. Tried to do that. I hope I don't have to do that, because if I have to go here, settings, and unlock the wallet, then it's going to ask for a passphrase, I believe. Let me see if I can create your passphrase, then click on settings and unlock. So I'm hoping that once this finishes synchronizing, this will open up and the check mark is going to be there. I am hoping. Wallet is encrypted and currently locked, so I'm hoping this will do what it's supposed to do. We'll see. So anyway, I just wanted to document that for the moment and see how far we can get. All right. Okay, we have reached 100% synchronization. So let's see what happens next. I'm hoping that this will allow me to unlock this, and I'll get a check mark here so that I know that it is in synchronization with the blockchain. But at least it reached 100, which is what it was not prior to. Let's see. This still doesn't allow me to encrypt it. I'm not sure what the next step will be, so let's wait a few minutes on that as well. All right, we have the check mark here, which is great. Synchronization finished up to the date, which is great. So now we have to figure out how to get this unlocked. Currently encrypted and currently locked. Let's see. Wow, it worked. Awesome. Finally. All right. All right, we are ready to move now. Okay, so looks like my wallet is happy now, and I can proceed with the next step. Let's see what that would be. Okay, we are here. I see that this is unlocked and the check mark is there. Okay, in the new PACcore wallet on the left side, click on Receive. Okay. Click on Request Payment and copy the address you are given. Request payment. Okay, not responding. Let's see. All right, great. It came up. Copy the address you are given. Return to your redemption wallet and click on the Send Coins tab at the top. All right. So let's copy the address and go here. Send coins. And then it says, in the transaction comment line directly underneath the tabs, paste your PACcore wallet address. All right. Paste. Make sure. Directly underneath the tabs, paste your PACcore. Go to this link. This is where you find the redemption addresses that you will send your PAC coins to. All righty. All right, let's go down. Please allow 48 hours for your coins to be swapped for you. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and this is on CST time. All right, so it is 11:53 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this is already CST. So it is Sunday night, and so technically that would definitely be tomorrow CST time. So I'm going to use Monday's address. Copy that. Go back here to make sure. This is where you find the redemption addresses that you will send your coins to. Only use the addresses found here. Do not trust. Got it. Locate the correct address based on the current day. Got it. Return to the redemption wallet. In the send to line, paste the address from the website. In the send to line, maybe they mean pay to. I'll put it right here. I'm going to go back and check again. AGV885. Okay, great. And it ends in K60D. K60D. Got it. All right. All righty. The label line you can leave blank or put anything you want. Put the amount you wish to redeem in the amount box and click send. All right, so it should look like this. New PACcore wallet address goes here, which is what I did. And I'm going to go back here just to make sure. PFY and ends in IS1. PFY and it ends in, wait a minute, let's make sure. Okay, I see. It ends in K6VMO. K6VMO, okay, great. All right. Redemption address from the blog site, which we just checked, and it was Monday. Great, so Monday. Awesome, got that done. And anything you want to put in here, and I'm actually going to put trial. All right. And the amount I want to send. I'm going to send a test amount, accept the fee. I'm going to put a test amount, so I'm going to put, let's say, 10,000. Okay. And click send. Yes. Send. Yes. Okay, I sent this amount, and that's my trial. All right. Go down a little bit more. You're done. Sit back and relax. Your coins will be processed usually within 24 hours. Please be patient. All right. I think we are finally moving forward. So I'm going to wait and see what happens. Where I am, tomorrow is a holiday, so I'm not sure if the PAC people, if it's a holiday for them as well, but we're going to see. Today is the 27th, so I do have time, which is wonderful. I was kind of concerned about that. So let us go ahead and just sit back and see what happens, and we'll go from there. Overview. Okay, here's the trial of the 10,000 that I sent. So we're going to go with that. All right. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate all your help. Thank you so much for helping me. Michael, thank you so much. And Returnus, thank you so much as well with the debug solution. And Michael, thank you very much so much for the information about how to encrypt it and create your passphrase. So I appreciate everything. All right, everyone. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.